Seconds with Femi Correct Pidgin and is now they do. And today, na that day, today, na the D-Day. The day where all of us, they wait. Super Eagles of Nigeria against Bafana of South Africa. Nigerians don't they wait for this particular one. At 2 o'clock, now the game go shele. Where you go watch the game? What you expect from today's game? You feel say Nigeria go feel knock South Africa. I be it say South Africa go win us home and away. After they don't win us 2-0 for Nigeria here, then go Congo again for their home, Congo win us. Remember, Francis Uzoho, whoever our first choice goalkeeper since he no go play. Indeed, himself, he no go play because he don't get 2 yellow card, didn't get suspension. Odio Nigalo no go play. John Obi Mikel no go play. All these people are important players for Super Eagles, they no go play. You feel say the current players where they now will go fit to use those players. Wound South Africa today for their own house because don't they hear said and don't they even ready Obonga artists like AKA Kidominant, all those who they go perform today. You feel say we go fit wound South Africa for their own house for the FNB Stadium. Hit us with your comments. Tell us what you think. How you feel say the Super Eagles go play today? Which players where you go suggest make Coach Ganathro use for today's game?